Okay, just installed the strobing indicator light and did use a YouTube video for advice, but I tell you, it's a lot easier than the video said. So you've got to get the mirror off. I actually had a friend with smaller fingers. He's over there. That's Lee, very helpful. So he managed to pull the mirror off, and then it was just a case of prising off the front cover there, and then taking the two T10 screws out there. But in the video I watched, all these gubbins were removed and unplugged and stuff, and you just don't need to do it. It's very careful easing of the old unit out and easing the old one in. It only took a few seconds, actually, if I'm all honest with you. And there we are, testing it, it's all working. So we just, the other main reason of replacing this, I scratched the outer mirror housing, so I'm replacing that as well. So yeah, it's a lot easier than you expect. Okay, so give it a go. I might add to this once I've actually completed the job. Right, we are now going to do the other one. So Lee's going to get, his fingers are smaller than mine, so we've tilted the mirror down. Daddy's going to break it. Are you, Lee? You're going to break it?
Hopefully not.
No. He's an engineer, but not of cars. I mean, there usually is a few popping sounds. Actually, I'm going to take the camera off him because it's pressure, but in a minute we'll have that off. Right, we got it off. Right, so Lee, what do you reckon?
Right, so basically get your hands into the top, and you really want to get to these parts here, so you've got a bigger surface area.
Yeah, less chance of breaking it.
Gently work your way through, but keep an even pressure, otherwise you might cause small cracks to the glass.
So this is Discovery Sport 2016, so we've got the outside lane detector and heated cables, which is different to the Evoke one I watched earlier. So there's more there, and also inside there's more gubbins than the video I watched. So let's go underneath. There's 3 sensors under there. So there's lighting and there's a camera. Not sure what the 2 are actually under there. Any ideas? What's apart from lighting?
Not sure.
So anyway, so it's more than the one thing that the other video that's up on YouTube. It's a very helpful video, but you don't need to unplug any of that. You can easily take off both the cover and the indicator without unplugging it. There you are, top tips, get to it. Here we go, it's kind of retro doing it for you now. Now I've done the other side. So that's what the original unit looks like. So we've got to take that out and that out. And that's T10 torque screws. But and then it's just unclipping that when this is out. It's very simple. Very simple. But these electrical units here don't need to be undone. Leave them alone. Ta-da! So that's all done. So new cover and new strobing lights put on. Dead easy. Highly recommend you give it a go. And you can get different sorts of covers. You can get carbon effect. I expect you'll probably get actual carbon fibre. But look, very pleased. So just in case you're not sure, this is a 2016 Discovery Sport, but they're the same for the later Evokes and the Velars. All the same wing mirror fittings. Beauty. Well pleased with that.